Hello everyone, a video of a different nature today. Just thought I'd share some of my 3D printing that I've been doing. So part of my Volvo FH16 conversion from a logger to a tractor unit, which is this unit here, metal suspension at the back. Ignore the blue bolts there, just there to hold for the moment. I just thought I'd share a quick 3D print that I did. This is the original toolbox that has the cutout here for the servo, which is normally mounted on the rail. Now I've moved my servo to the front like a lot of people do, so therefore I've designed this replacement 3D printed battery box. It has the same number of circular patterns from left to right, which I believe is 7, and it's 11 deep. I've just added a few more to make them longer enough to make a full unit. Now, this unit is slightly longer than the original one. It sticks out by about another 3 mil. This was so it brought it more in line with the fuel tank, which is next to it. Ignore my shiny ones, they'll be changed soon. So this is a design I'm going to put up on Thingiverse. I shall put a link in the description. You can download. This little handle sticks out further. Now I did this as a very quick print. I may reprint this in the high quality, which should define this handle a little better. Once you printed it, all you do is just literally mount it from underneath with 2 screws using the original plate. Now you could obviously design some better 3D capture units in the right locations, but literally the unit just comes out flash. So again, just a very quick video sharing one of my little 3D print jobs I'm doing. Ignore the printer noise in the background, that's currently running at the moment, and I'll share some more soon. Please keep watching the videos, like and subscribe, it does help out, and speak to you soon. Bye.